Did you know that onions can be a gas-producing food? Onions contain a carbohydrate called fructans, which can be challenging for some people to digest. When these fructans reach the large intestine undigested, they undergo fermentation by gut bacteria, leading to the release of gas. This can result in frequent burping and bloating after consuming onions. But why does this happen? Well, the bacteria in our gut break down the fructans, producing gases like hydrogen, methane, and carbon dioxide, which can cause discomfort. If you find yourself experiencing excessive burping or bloating after eating onions, you may have a sensitivity or intolerance to these fructans. Cutting down on onion consumption or trying cooking techniques like sautéing or caramelizing can help reduce the gas-producing compounds. Remember, everyone's tolerance to onions can differ, so it's essential to listen to your body and make dietary choices that work best for you.